morning. It's pretty windy on a Monday morning. Got like trees down, branches down. Oh. Let's get in. Whew. Heading down to the shop right now. And looks like we might be rained out again today to do any work. But at least we got some watering done from Mother Nature, so we don't have to water any plants today. Look at that. Neighbor's tree just went down. Looks like a tornado came through. Power must have went out. Normally it doesn't look like that. Well, it looks like we will be working late today because of the windstorm and cleaning up some yards. So I gotta get my chainsaw ready. Okay, we're all set and ready. That's the one that's coming down. Got some birds here. Come on, birdie. I don't want to touch you. Come on. Is it still not working?
I'm doing it again.
Had a little downtime. It's almost 8 p.m. and we're still out here working. Out here grinding. Down to the wire. Okay, it's 9 o'clock p.m. and we're just unloading, calling it a day. And we are done. Anybody home? Hey, bud.
I cooked rice for you.
Did you cook rice for me?
And there's your pillow.
Oh, there's my pillow. Haven't seen you all day. Hey, Coley, what you up to? Daddy get a hug? So hard to get a kiss nowadays. Okay, I gotta take a shower.